Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Today we are hooking up a comfortable crochet ladies sleepers designs ideas. These are perfect for relaxing at home or as a gift for lovely ones. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the ideas, all the beautiful pattern and different collection ideas. So please watch this video till end and please tell me in comment section which type of new video you want to see in my YouTube channel. I will upload it next video about recommend. You see in this video many different pattern and different ideas about crochet work and knitting work. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you. In this video we will be making a stylish crochet ladies sleepers designs ideas. These sleepers are easy to make at home and required mini yarn. Hope so you like this video. So let's get started. Let's start with the foundation chain. Next we will add the pattern and texture to shape the booties and sleepers. So we will use different techniques you use and make all the ideas easily. Experiment with different yarn, color and texture. Try using different stitches, pattern, sleeper style or different yarn and hooks. Add embellishments like button, applique work, beads, pearls, stones, different crochet work, flowers and different accessories you use and decor your sleepers easily. And that's it, your crochet ladies sleepers are complete and ready to wear, ready to gifting. Hope so you like this video and hope so you like all the collection and different pattern ideas. If you want more information about crochet work, so please tell me in comment section. I will explain you full detail with step by step in my next video. I will upload it full DIY tutorial for you. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, tutorial and patterns. See you in the next video. Hope so you like this video and do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers, social work experts and others. If you want to buy these, visit websites such as Crochet, Express.com. Click my options are pattern, use and your design and pattern ideas. See you in the next video. So please like this video, and if you want more information about crochet work, so please visit my YouTube channel and watch my more different ideas, tutorials, videos and different collection. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching this video and thanks for watching all the pattern ideas. Okay viewers, bye bye.